Accompong has no lawful chief right now. Hard statement. Here's the situation now. Accompong does not have a clean, lawful, uncontested chief. Richard Currie may claim the title, but the process he relies on is broken, stayed, disputed, and rejected by many Maroons as illegitimate. A court order stayed nomination day. A court order stayed election day. The normal trusted election structure was removed. The process was handled through machinery, aligned with Currie. No clean public recognition followed. No proper mandate was produced. So the question is no longer whether Currie wants to call himself chief. The question is whether Accompong has a lawful chief at all. And right now, the answer is no. Accompong is in a leadership crisis. Not because Maroons are confused, not because the people do not understand governance, but because the process that should produce lawful leadership has been damaged. A title claimed through a stayed and disputed process is not authority. A declaration from a captured process is not a mandate. A man cannot step over the process and then demand the people respect the result. So here we are now. No lawful election, no clean mandate, no uncontested authority, no chief. Until this matter is resolved through a lawful, transparent, properly recognized process, any claim to the office of colonel/chief is politically and traditionally damaged. Accompong does not need a man claiming power. Accompong needs lawful leadership. And at this moment, Accompong has no lawful chief.